G'day. It's Wednesday the 15th of March, and I'm just out for a little jaunt and make you a very short video. Basically this video is about why I'm not making a whole lot of videos at the moment. There's a few reasons, the main one being that we are in the smoky season and this year it's been pretty horrendous. Last week, 2 of the days last week anyway, Chiang Rai, which is only a couple of 100 kilometres to the south of us, was the most polluted city on planet Earth. I don't think we were that far behind here. So I'm going out to make videos of places with scenic landscapes, anything that you need to be able to see a distance is not on at the moment, because wherever I go you're just going to get a video of a load of smoke. I'm just going to stop now because my usual idiotic manner, I've managed to set off with without closing the bag on my back seat, and my Olympus camera's in there, so I don't really want it bouncing out. Right, where was I? Yeah, so the weather's not conducive to making any videos about scenic spots in northern Thailand at the moment. On top of that, my time has been taken up with a couple of things, one of which I referred to before, which is a financial matter with the investment platform I use, who are being complete, well, how can I put it, excuse my French, complete assholes. And everything I submit to them they refuse to accept as bona fide. So those of you who are regular viewers of this channel know that I am prone to bouts of depression, and it sort of kicked in big time. So I'm not getting a lot of sleep at the moment. If I get 4 hours it's a blessing. So I've neither got the energy or the enthusiasm to go out particularly and make videos. And plus also to keep my mind active amidst all this, and given that at the first opportunity I'm removing my money from said investment platform, I've been practicing doing some commodity and forex training, not with real money at the moment, trying to work out some strategies to use. They're going to do it small time anyway, but a lot of similarities between that and playing poker, which I used to play online a few years back, especially given that the two major things that you need to be skilled at is risk management and bankroll management. So there we go. So now I'm just heading down towards the White Temple at the moment. I thought I've been there. I went there 5 years ago. I was on the way home from Graham Price's funeral. Actually, it's not my cup of tea really, but it's pretty photogenic. So I'm not going to make a video there. I'm just going to take some pictures. So as Mr. Hardcastle on his Photo Tripper channel would put it, if the pictures come out alright, I'll show you them now.